Trust in healthcare, a holistic approach. Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about how much you trust your doctor? It's a strange question, I know. But take a moment to think about it. Do you truly feel confident in the person managing your health? It's not just a random thought. Look around online, in the comments of health videos or forums. You'll see it. Frustration, disappointment, even anger. More and more people are questioning the advice they're given, wondering if it's really in their best interest. Why is that happening? It's a complex issue, but let's dig a little deeper. Many people feel that their doctors, despite their expertise, don't always live up to the standards they set for others. Think about it. How many doctors do you know who live completely healthy lives? No smoking, no drinking, a balanced diet, regular exercise. I bet the number isn't as high as you'd expect, and that disconnect is where trust begins to waver. Then there's the topic of medications. And while medication can be life-saving, let's be honest, we've become overly dependent on quick fixes. Somewhere along the way, we lost touch with those traditions. Here's something even more unsettling. Many doctors prescribe medications they wouldn't even take themselves. How does that make sense? If they wouldn't recommend it for their own families, why offer it to patients? It's no wonder people are feeling dissatisfied, even betrayed. But don't lose hope. Not every doctor follows this path. In fact, there are remarkable individuals in the medical world who break the mold. Today, we're focusing on one such pioneer, Dr. Leo Bokeria. At 85 years old, this incredible heart surgeon is still performing surgeries and saving lives. Let that sink in. 85 and not slowing down. That alone is extraordinary. But what makes Dr. Bokeria truly special isn't just his longevity or his skills in the operating room. It's his approach to health, his philosophy on living a full, vibrant life. For him, medicine isn't just about treating illness. It's about preventing it, building habits that keep you strong and resilient. And here's the kicker. He practices everything he preaches. He doesn't just talk the talk, he walks the walk every single day. Dr. Bokeria has spent over 5 decades in medicine, performing thousands of surgeries and earning countless awards. He's even developed groundbreaking patents in cardiac care. But perhaps his boldest move has been challenging the pharmaceutical industry, speaking out against certain medications he believes are harmful. It takes courage to stand up to such a powerful system, and he's done it for the sake of his patients. Now, let's explore what makes him thrive. Dr. Bokeria's foundation is built on the idea that food is fuel. Not just something to satisfy your hunger, but a powerful tool to energize your body and protect your health. Every meal, every bite, is an opportunity to invest in your future. He focuses on fresh, natural foods, ingredients that our bodies are designed to thrive on. No heavy processing, no artificial additives, just pure, wholesome nutrition. For example, he starts each day with something simple but incredibly effective. Water. 2 large glasses, first thing in the morning. Why? It wakes up your body, gets your digestion moving, and hydrates you after a long night's sleep. After that, breakfast is a carefully chosen mix of foods that fuel his body for the day ahead. Oats for fiber, berries loaded with antioxidants, a spoonful of chia or flax seeds for omega-3s, and natural yogurt to keep his gut healthy. Sometimes, he adds a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. Lunch is all about balance. Grilled fish, like salmon or sardines, provides essential fats for heart health. Fresh vegetables, spinach, arugula, tomatoes, deliver vitamins and fiber. A splash of olive oil, rich in healthy fats, ties it all together. And for sustained energy, he might include some quinoa or brown rice. He eats slowly, savoring every bite, which not only aids digestion, but also helps him feel full without overeating. Even snacks are thoughtful. A piece of fruit here, a handful of nuts there. Simple, nourishing, and satisfying. Dinner is light and early, often featuring vegetable soup or broth, a small portion of lean protein, and some cooked veggies. He believes in giving the body time to rest overnight, which is why he finishes eating well before bedtime. Another key to his routine is intermittent fasting. By giving his body a break from food for 12 to 16 hours, usually from early evening until morning, he allows it to repair itself, lower inflammation, and improve overall function, and hydration is non-negotiable. He drinks 2 to 3 liters of water every day, adjusting for his weight and activity level. Beyond diet, his daily habits are simple yet transformative. A short walk outdoors clears his mind and improves circulation. Stretching each morning keeps his body flexible and ready for the day. Meditation and deep breathing help him manage stress, while quality sleep allows his body to recover and recharge. He also prioritizes staying connected with loved ones, understanding that emotional health is just as important as physical health. Dr. Bokeria's wisdom extends to foods he avoids. Fried and heavily processed items, sugary snacks, processed meats, and excessive salt. These are all on his no-go list. Instead, he focuses on what will nourish, protect, and sustain him. And here's something you can try today. His favorite oatmeal recipe. Half a cup of oats, 1 cup of water or plant-based milk, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of chia or flax seeds, a handful of fresh berries, and a pinch of sea salt. Cook the oats, stir in the seeds and cinnamon, then top with the berries. If you like it sweeter, add a drizzle of honey. It's easy, delicious, and packed with nutrients that your heart will thank you for. Dr. Bokeria's story is proof that health isn't about quick fixes or drastic changes. It's about consistent, thoughtful habits that build over time. Small steps, taken every day, can lead to extraordinary results. Whether it's drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning, taking a short walk, or swapping out processed foods for something fresh, you have the power to transform your life. So, are you ready to make that commitment to yourself? Say it with me. My strength is unlimited. Write it in the comments below. And if this message resonates with you, share it with someone you care about. It could be the spark that changes their life. Let's make this journey together. Stay tuned for more life-changing insights in our next video. Until then, take care of your heart, your body, and your mind. You deserve it.